Right, what we're going to do here at FoneFunShop, we're going to debrand a K700 using SE Tools. Right, so we launch SE Tools. Right, that's launched. We'll make sure the phone type is set on K800, and if we go to settings, right, tick the top four and we tick use server. Yeah, you put your username and password in that you purchased credits with and the server IP. Yep, I'll press save there so it saves them settings. I'll go back to the K800 and I want to add the two flash files that I need to flash it with. Right, so I go to my flash files, go to K800. I'm going to flash it with the generic main and the file system EU1. Right, so now I've got the flash files loaded in, I've got the server address all set up nicely. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to connect the phone using the DCU60 cable. Yeah, so power the phone on, which is asks you to have the phone on. Insert the cable. Yeah, I'm going to switch the interface to USB. Yep. Right, the phone's powered on and it's asked me whether I want it in normal mode or flight mode. Yeah, you select normal mode. Yep. Right, so I'm just waiting for the PC to pick it all up. There you can hear it, it's found new hardware. Right, I'm not going to connect to the internet this time. I'm going to install it from a specific location. Click next. Right, I'm going to browse my computer, and where my SE Tools installs is C drive, program files, FoneFunShop SE Tools. Right, then there's a folder in there called drivers. Right, in there, let's have a look. There's phones. Right, and we should see a K800 driver there. Select OK there. Press next. What this is going to do, it's going to ask for a few drivers. It says it's not passed the logo test. Just continue anyway whenever you get prompted for that. Press finish on that. Right, so I'm going to install another driver. No, not this time to the internet. Install from a specific location again, and what it's done, it's remembered the location. Press next. Continue anywhere. Well, it's found another part of the phone, so it wants another driver. Do the same again. Remembers the path. Continue anywhere. Here you can see it's loading a lot. Same again, specific location, FoneFunShop, SE Tools. Same again, another driver. And another driver. Another driver. Right, so now that says you've installed all the hardware correctly. A good point here is if you go to the start menu, right click on my computer, go to properties, have a look at hardware, then device manager, and here, no, not there, sorry, let's try and find it. Ports, you can see it's installed 2 ports for your K800, and if there's any apostrophes in there we need to double click and reinstall them. Right, so what we need to do now is disconnect the phone again from your cable, power the phone off, right, so we've got all the files set up now. Right, we've chose the flash files. Right, so what we do here now, we press the flash button. Right, we hold C down on the phone, insert the cable into the phone. There you can see it's asking for another driver, so we'll not connect to the internet at this time. We'll install from a specific location. Yeah, right, but it's not that location. So as you can see in here, if you have a look, we're looking for the USB flash driver this time. Yeah, so we select that, press OK. There you can see. Right, it's just asking for the file. See, it wants to copy the file. So go to C, program files, FoneFunShop, SE tools, USB flash drivers. Right, so sorry, hang on. SE tools, drivers, USB flash drivers, open. Press OK. It will copy the drivers. Press finish. Right, it's just installing the rest of the drivers. Right, there you saw then it installed the memory card drivers. Right, what I've done, I've left the memory card in the phone. Right, so I'm just going to disconnect the phone. I'm going to take the memory card out of the phone. Right, I've took the memory card out, the phone's off. I'm going to hold the C button down on the phone and connect the cable again. Right, and let go of the C. There you can see the flashing has automatically kicked in now because it has all the drivers it needs. Right, it's flashing the main area of the phone. What this will do, it'll take around 10-15 minutes now to flash the phone. Once it's finished flashing, that's it. That's how you debrand a K800 using SE tools.